Okay, bafundi, ngoba sisuka kwizandiso zendawo, the adverbs of place, we are moving on to izandiso zokwenza, which means izandiso zesimo, adverbs of manner. Kancane, it means a little or slowly or gentle. Kakhulu, a lot. Kabi, badly. Kamnandi, nicely. Kahle, well. Kalula, easy. Kalukhuni noma kanzima, with difficulty. Kangaka, this much. Kangcono, better. Masinyane, ngokushesha. Those are the notes that we have for izandiso adverbs.